Hey, what's up guys? Zach here. Got a quick and easy one for you today. The weather's getting nicer, time to get out there, clean up those cars, and part of that is cleaning your engine bay. Now I have a one-step process for cleaning the engine bay, and it's probably a lot simpler than what you would imagine. There's no need for toothbrushes or heavy cleaning or anything like that, but it's one step. I guarantee you it's going to take care of like 90% of your engine bay cleaning issues. You're just going to need one thing: Simple Green. This is pretty straightforward. You're just going to coat the entire engine bay in Simple Green, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then just gently hose it off with a garden hose. Now, if you guys are really worried about it, you can head on up to your local car wash, and they've got filtration systems and things like that to collect all the grease and whatever else you'll rinse off the engine bay. But I strongly suggest you guys don't use high pressure. Just use kind of that mist that first comes out of the hose, and you guys are you're gonna be pretty shocked with the results. So again, Simple Green. The only other thing that I highly suggest, if you guys have E46s, is to pick up a sweatband. Definitely recommend something a little bit darker. But what this is going to do is this is going to catch all that excess oil that comes out from the vent hole on top of your power steering reservoir cover, and that'll actually help keep that oil from getting down onto your alternator. So the other thing I'll link in the description below is the covers for the vanity covers here, the caps. Just want to clean it up, get the engine bay looking really nice. Alright guys, so with a little bit of Simple Green and a sweatband, we're going to help keep your BMW from sweating power steering fluid all over your alternator, and hopefully saving you guys some money in the future, and getting your engine bay looking good for just a couple bucks. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. As you guys have noticed, all the new videos are not monetized here on YouTube, in an effort to get the channel up to 100,000 subscribers. Quarter of the way there. If you guys haven't subscribed already, it means a lot to me. As always, thanks guys for watching. Post in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.